Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by dampening short hair to roughly 30 to 40% dry so the gel spreads, not pools. Apply a peat nickel-sized amount of alcohol-free gel into your palm and rub between fingers to warm it. Then, with quick, small motions, push the gel into the roots and crown. This anchors the net pattern later. Once done, make sure strands are separated where the net lines will go so the pattern reads cleanly under style. You now form the net by using a fine tooth or tail comb to draw parallel lines across the short hair. Start at the front and work back, making lines about 1/2 inch apart. Then alternate diagonal passes to create a mesh. As you comb each line, press it flat with your fingertips so the gel grips the strand. This helps the net hold. Make sure to keep movements deliberate but quick so the gel doesn't dry before you finish the grid. You finish by using a cool hairdryer on low for 20 to 30 seconds to lock the net pattern without crisping. Then lightly mist nonsticky hairspray to maintain hold while preserving natural movement. If any lines blur, re-wet a very small area with water or a spray bottle, reapply a touch of gel, and resculpt with the comb. This restores definition without rebuilding the whole net. One key tip: avoid heavy brushing after setting to prevent frizz and line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.